What's up, cast addicts? Here with another video. I'm here back at my local lake. I haven't went bass fishing in a couple days, maybe about 4 or 5 days, and I've been dying to come out. So I brought a couple of my rods with me. 2 bait casters. I brought my spinning rod. Over here it's a little bit easier for me to fish with my spinning rod, but I love the bait casters. I mean, when you learn to use one, you feel like a professional. When you learn to use one, it just feels good. It's cool to set up. It's cool when you learn the thumb play. But yeah, I'm here. See if I can catch some bass. And hope you guys stick around and join me. Now I feel the paddle wagging. Somebody's alarm is going off and off and off. Oh. Too hard. And this wind is horrible, man. That's how you lose baits. Try the swim bait on the other side. I've never used the swim bait on that side. paddle tail, whichever it's called. Yes, if you're wondering, I have exactly 2 lakes right next to each other. I don't know what I just kicked into the water. I gotta watch these trees. Fish don't want it at all. Looks like I'm gonna have to grab the spinning rod and do some finesse fishing, because these fish don't want anything to do with anything I'm throwing out there. So now it's time to pull out the secret weapon. So finesse worm out there. Come on, come on. got him. Don't come off, don't come off. Don't come off. Got him, look at that. Nothing else worked. I got tired of it. I said, you know what? Let me just grab the shaky. Let me grab the finesse worm. So I can at least catch some fish before the end of the day. I mean, look at that. That barb is in there real good. Woo. Nice smallmouth. Not a bad size. Bleeding a little bit, but he'll be all right. There we go. First cast into the water, and he snagged it. Let me check my worm because he tore it up. Yes, he did. He was definitely trying to eat it. That's okay. I'm going to take this one off because these can actually be repaired. If you take a lighter to that piece that's broken, let it melt, push it together, swim it through the cold water, and it's brand new. As you can see, this one I kind of fixed myself. It's a little sloppy, but I fixed it myself. Got it good as new. He hit that worm at least 4 times, but I didn't feel him swallow it. The last hit, I felt him pull it, and that's when I set the hook. See if we can get another one. It's like the only way I'm catching bass over here. Only thing killing me is this wind is pulling my line all the way to the right. Alright guys, I decided to end my video there. Didn't have much luck. Caught one fish. Had a ton of bites. The wind was killing me today. I mean, I just couldn't. Every time I tried to cast out, the wind was blowing my line, pulling my worm all the way to the right, and I just couldn't. Kept trying to pop it at the bottom, and I couldn't feel the pops. It was rough, but kind of happy I caught one fish. I still like to make these videos just to show you ain't always gonna catch a lot of fish. There's days you're gonna struggle, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow, hit the subscribe button, give me a like if you want, and I'll see you on the next fishing trip. See you later, Cast Addicts. Mike out. Peace.